Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y35 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's open your dialer, and just a quick disclaimer before we will block a number. I've got two different ways to do that for you. I will present them, of course. The first one is by using the contacts, so you can block the number which you've got currently saved, or you can do it, let's say, by using the dialer settings, and there you will be able to enter it manually. But let's start with the contacts. Open your contact list, for example using the dialer, and then tap on the contact you'd like to block. Here pick three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. And here your device will ask you if you really want to block this number, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and simply tap on block. And as you can see, we've got this characteristic icon, we've got also the information that the number is blocked, and again we will not receive any messages or calls from it. Of course you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on this option, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So now, as I said, we've got the second way to block a number by using the settings. And here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. And that was a help. Just tap on settings, and here in the general section we've got blocked numbers. So let's enter, and this is our blacklist, and that's the number we just blocked from our contacts. So everything went fine, we successfully blocked the number. And as I said before, here you can add a number manually, so you don't just tap on this option, and as you can see here you've got the section where you can enter it, so you don't have to have it saved. Just tap on block, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the blacklist also. What's more, here you've got the option unknown, which simply means that after tapping on the switcher, your device will be allowed to block calls from all unidentified callers, so it may be useful sometimes. Of course we can turn it off the same way, and if you'd like to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to the number. So basically that's all. This is how to block the number in your VIVO Y35. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.